Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the Ria Money Transfer app to send money quickly and securely. Whether you're new to the app or just need a refresher, I've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for Ria Money Transfer. Tap Install, then open the app once it's done. Step 2. If you're new, tap Sign Up and enter your name, email, and password. If you already have an account, just tap Log in and enter your credentials. Step 3. Once logged in, tap the Send Money button. Choose the destination country, then enter the amount you want to send. Step 4. Type in the receiver's full name and pickup method, like cash pickup or bank deposit. Make sure all info is accurate to avoid delays. Step 5. Choose how you want to pay: credit card, debit card, or bank account. Then, confirm the exchange rate and total fees before proceeding. Step 6. Double-check all the details. If everything looks good, tap Send. You'll get a PIN or tracking number for your transaction. And that's how easy it is to use the Ria Money Transfer app. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more useful guides. See you next time!